Today I would like to share all of you about the CNC large program mazatrol course. We use the example workpiece size 60 per H from this way to this way. We call H connector. From this way to this way we call Z connector. We use long 60 millimeter. This is the gear from gear 54. Then machine connectors from travel from spindle to the gear 53. So this way to gear 54. This program you see all the. This is the mazatrol. This is the jobs. This is the shoe from we use. When we in this see, we use the bars out. We cut all mazatrol like this. Bar out there are TPO launch jumper. This is bar out, and we use the groove. They have groove out. So we start from program 0 at 2 and 3. 3 is the finish program, is the end program. If you want to this the end, continue with scriber, we write on 00, return 0, and the machine understand about it. We start this the mazatrol compound steel. OD we start from this way. OD is the 60 millimeter, and in ID inside mazatrol inside diameter 0 and the length 60 millimeter. Workface we use 0. There's only for example. We can use 1 0 at 1 2 3 depend on. ATC mode we use 0, RPM we use 2000, etc. Program 1 is the unit bar out. We use 90 degree start point 60. We start point from H60 and start point Z0. Finish H we use 0.2. Finish Z 0.1. Finish H finish we from rough H and then start finish H. Rough Z and then start rush Z here, Z here, H here, Z from this way. Just so you understand about this. And we use the tool like this. We use the rough and finish general out. Nominate 0.5 or nominate 0.1 be finished. Part 00 and depth we use the 2.4 and has and speed 130 and figuration 0.3 for rough and for speed finish 200 and 0.1. For bar out we start from link chamber 2. This is chamber 2 which start from link this way. We start from H60 to 8 finish to 8 fam 50. So 850 to 850. We start from this way. Machine travel from this way. Start from 860. Your line is 50. And then we start from 0 to 8. Set finish 50. Set finish 50 this way. This is set. This is 15 15. It is 10. This is 20. And then from this way to this way is the 50. So set from set 0 to set this way 50. So we rough from this way to this way links. So if you understand about this, you know this is the very important. And then we groove this 90-degree grooves out, and 2 grooves, and grooves 1, grooves 2, and pitch 10 pitch from start point this way to this way. Then width from 5 millimeter from this way, and finish. So we grooves out. We nominate 3 and dip 2 and speed 120 and configuration 0.0h. This is normal for grooves. Just you keep study from 850 to 840. 850 from this way to 840 from this way. So we groove set start from 20 to 20. Start from 20. This is 15. This is 50. The middle of this one. This is 10 from this one. This way. From this way. This is start groove. Machine travel from this way, groove this way, then finish, and after then start this 1, 2 grooves. So you understand about this. So I hope you perfect understand, because I am explain well for all of the jumper. We can surface to shine like this. So I hope you understand about all the program like this. I thank you for watching, or keep study, student, follower. Thank you for watching or supporting.